टाइम इज 4:29 एंड अब शुरू करते हैं आज का दबंग। So, two players with me. One is Anoop and the other one is Aarti. Pehle, hello to Anoop. Anoop, how are you? Anoop, are you there? Do I have Anoop? Maybe I don't have Anoop, and I'm going to take a next caller and let's see who they are. Good evening. Who do I have? Aarti, are you there?
I'm here.
You're here. Okay.
Aarti's here.
Aarti's here. Let's see if we have the second player. Are you online? Okay, maybe not. So let's see if this caller is the right caller. Good evening. You're live on air. Who do I have?
This is Sonali.
Sonali, you are our lucky player today. So Sonali, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I always listen to your show. It's very interesting.
Thank you so much, Sonali. Sonali, आप ये बताइए कि कहाँ से फोन कर रही हैं आप?
सैन होजे से.
सैन होजे से फोन कर रही हैं. और सोनाली, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि you're first time calling to the show?
Yeah.
Awesome. First time caller. Bravo. I like it. And so सोनाली, मुझे ये बताइए कि आपकी जो दबंग क्वालिटी है, मैं ऑब्वियसली हमेशा ये क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ, तो आपकी जो दबंग क्वालिटी है क्या है?
I love Bollywood.
You love Bollywood. Oh, फिर तो बहुत ही मजा आएगा. And I see Peter is getting बहुत ही excited हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So okay, awesome, great to have you, Sonali, and you're going to be playing versus Aarti. Aarti, how are you?
Good. How are you, Ritu?
Good. कहाँ से फोन कर रही हैं आप?
मैं Santa Clara.
Santa Clara, and I know Aarti, you played the game before.
Yes,
and you have won before.
Yes.
Okay, so we've got a winner back. Bravo. And so Aarti, मुझे बताइए आपकी दबंग क्वालिटी क्या है?
That I don't give up.
That you don't give up. Awesome.
I keep trying.
So okay, you're going to keep trying to win this game then, again and again and again.
Yes.
Great to have you. Sonali, क्या आपको लगता है कि बहुत बड़ा competition है आपके लिए या नहीं?
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous.
Now you're kind of nervous. Don't be nervous. You know, मुझे लगता है जैसे लोग nervous होना शुरू होते हैं ना, उनको आंसर पता भी होता है तो वो भूल जाते हैं. So the whole key is to stay calm. Nobody's listening. Just remember that. Well, a lot of thousands of people are listening, but think in your mind nobody's listening.
No pressure.
No pressure. So Aarti, given that you are a winner, past winner, let's start with you today. ठीक है?
Okay,
here it is. And as you know, clips play करती हूँ, गाने play करती हूँ, and the question right after that, 5 seconds or a little more than 5 seconds I give you to answer each question. जो पहला है, dialogue है, obviously. Aarti, you know, please listen to the dialogue carefully, because बहुत सारी जो ये चीजें कह रहे हैं इस dialogue में, you can make out ये किसकी life के बारे में बात चल रही है. Okay? So here it is. Listen carefully.
And talk about friends, yes, I do have friends that I can count on my fingertips. My mother used to say, if you have one friend in your lifetime, you are blessed, truly blessed. 2 is you're lucky. 3 is hardly possible.
You have Farzana, more than a sister. She's more than a mother in that sense.
She's everything, absolutely everything. Talk about soulmates, she is more than that.
Has she been...
It seems forever. Couple of decades, I guess.
So loyal.
Yeah, and effortlessly devoted. एक living example है सामने, you know.
Very lucky.
Okay, the question for you is, who is being interviewed here? ये कौन कह रही हैं कि हाँ मैं अपने फिंगर टिप्स पे काउंट कर सकती हूँ कि मेरे दोस्त कौन हैं? So who is she talking about?
Who is she talking about?
I'm sorry,
who the actress is?
Who the actress is? I'm sorry, who the actress is?
Okay, huh.
And remember, उन्होंने mention name किया Farzana. So that's another clue for you.
Farzana. Okay, Aisha Takia.
Aisha Takia. You think Aisha Takia is being interviewed?
Farzana. No, it didn't sound like Aisha Takia. Can you give me a hint?
Can I give you a hint?
Is she like a newer actress?
No, she's not a newer
older
actress. She's a very old actress.
Very old.
Very old in a sense कि she's one of those very special actresses that जो मतलब old नहीं होती हैं. I don't know. I mean, she's been around for a very long time. Let's say that.
She's been around for a very
5
long
seconds
time.
now.
and Farzana.
1, 2, 3.
Oh God.
4.
I'll just go for Aisha Taki. I know that's not the correct answer, but
रेखा जो फरजाना जिसके बारे में बात चल रही है, अगर आपने देखा होगा उनके साथ हमेशा एक लेडी होती है जो ऑब्वियसली लेडी की तरह नहीं लगती, थोड़ी मतलब मेल की तरह लगती है, बट दैट्स फरजाना.
That's right.
That is right.
Oh, but yeah, I couldn't get it.
No worries.
Never
And
mind.
right here, the interview is going on, and she's talking about her lives. Okay, no worries. चलते हैं अगले dialogue की ओर. Are you ready? Okay. This is a dialogue from a movie. ध्यान से सुनेगा, and then the question. Here it is.
देखो, मैं अब भी कह रही हूँ, it's not too late, मेघना. अवंतिका बहुत अपसेट है, but I think we can handle it. बस तुम उससे एक बार मिल लो, सॉरी कह दो. अगर वो मान जाएगी तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
मैं उससे सॉरी कहूँ? Are you kidding me? वो है क्या चीज अनीशा? Just a bloody trophy wife? मुझे उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं.
जरूरत है मेघना. आज पनाश की वजह से तुम्हारी ये पोजीशन है. तुम्हें सारे ब्रांड साइन कर रहे हैं. I mean, you need पनाश.
Wrong, अनीशा.
Wrong, अनीशा. मुझे बताइए किस मूवी से डायलॉग है?
Fashion.
And you are absolutely right. It is fashion, and here it is. अगला आपके लिए एक गाना है. उस गाने को आपको complete करना है. So here it is. Listen carefully.
Okay.
18 बरस की कवारी कली थी, घूंघट में मुखड़ा छुपा के चली.
Okay. आगे.
फंसी गोरी चने के खेत में, जोरा जोरी चने के खेत में.
थी फंसी गोरी चने के खेत में.
Absolutely right. Awesome. Oh my. Absolutely. इतना सुंदर गाती हैं आप. You should be on the radio. Great.
Thank
Good.
you.
2 points. Very well played, I have to say. Aarti, very well played. Let's see how well Sonali does. Sonali, are you ready?
Yes.
और आपको कितने आंसर्स पता थे?
I knew Rekha.
Okay. Oh, good. You knew
And
Rekha.
I didn't know fashion, and I knew the last one.
चलो ठीक है. Good. So you would have gotten 2 points also. देखते हैं आपको अपने questions कितने ज़्यादा पता है. And let's start with you. And here is first. Again, ध्यान से सुनना. Again, everything is in the dialogue. Okay. So here it is. Okay. First one for you.
Yes, I was very bindas and I was very outspoken, but that was my age. I was young.
Very self-sufficient also.
Extremely self-sufficient. So,
you want to really answer.
Yes, exactly. I lived for myself and I didn't live by any rules laid down by anyone. And I still am very headstrong, but I think I'm gentler now. I'm slower now. I was never the bikini wearing type bindas. I was always this Benji, which I still am.
She's calling herself a Benji. आपके लिए clue, Sonali, this is your clue, okay? जो इनके साथ आदमी बैठे हुए थे, जो कुछ बोल रहे थे, वो उनके husband थे. Or was her husband, okay? Was her husband.
I think it is Amrita Singh.
You think it's Amrita Singh? Why do you think it's Amrita Singh?
Because you said ex-husband.
उस बेसिस पे मत जाओ, आवाज के ऊपर जाओ. आवाज किसकी लग रही थी आपको?
You said that man was her husband.
That was a clue for you. Was her husband? Yes. I'm not going to tease you anymore. You're absolutely right.
Oh, thank you.
You got it. Actually, I made you question yourself, but you're absolutely right. It was Amrita Singh. Amrita Singh. I feel like I gave you the answer in some ways. But Did I? And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But you got it right. And मैं सबको clues देती हूँ. कई clues you can use to obviously get the answer. Amrita Singh, who think कि वो बहन जी है. Amazing, right? I mean, this actually was an interview taken long time back, and 6 years after she had left the movies and married Saif Ali Khan, and कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गई है. Okay, dialogue for you now, and question afterwards. Here it is. Listen carefully.
कैलिफोर्निया की धूप,
बम्बई की बारिश,
ब्लूबेरी चीज केक,
गाजर का हलवा,
ब्रॉडवे पे फैंटम ऑफ द ओपेरा,
मराठा मंदिर में DDLJ।
ओके, कौन सी मूवी है ये?
I think it is Deepika Padukone and Ranbir Kapoor. I don't know the name of the movie. Just am I right about the actor actress?
Are you right about the actor actress? Yes, you are.
She's a taxi driver in Australia. Is that the one?
I cannot tell you anything more than this, Sonali. You are a Bollywood buff. No clue. No clue. Because you've already guessed so much of it right. अब इससे ज़्यादा मैं आपको क्या बोलूं? मगर आपके 5 सेकंड अब शुरू होते हैं. 1, 2, 3, नहीं, 4.
Oh my God. No.
How could you, Sonali? How could you? ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Oh, okay.
Did you watch
the
movie?
name? I just couldn't guess it.
You could not guess the name. You were thinking about what's that movie? The other movie that they did, and I just I'm blocking out. Do you remember Aarti? कौन सी movie थी वो?
It had those 3 heroines. Bachna Hai Hasino.
Yeah, Bipasha Basu and all.
Bachna Hai Hasino.
Bachna Hai Hasino. That's what it was. That was not the one, but Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. You're right. Sometimes you just block out and you just can't remember the names. So we're going to go into your last. It's a Gana. You have to complete the song. Listen carefully. Here it is. Okay?
एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी.
Okay.
मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है.
मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है.
Wow, bravo. You got it right, but now I've got a tie. Now. क्या किया जाए? आरती एंड सोनाली, क्या किया जाए? छोड़ दिया जाए या दोनों को दे दिया जाए?
दोनों को दे दिया जाए.
दोनों को दे दिया जाए.
दोनों को दे दिया जाए. कितने हंसी बोले, दोनों को दे दिया जाए. Well, I will make both of you आज का दबंग given the time constraints. And first you, Aarti, go ahead and tell the whole Bay Area that you are आज की दबंग.
Bay Area, this is Aarti and I'm Aaj Ka Dabang yet again.
And Sonali, go ahead. Tell the whole Bay Area.
Hi Bay Area, this is Sonali and I'm Aaj Ki Dabang.
You are definitely Aaj Ki Dabang. And great having you both. Both of you email me at ritu@klok1170am.com. That's again ritu@klok1170am.com. You can also listen, given that you guys didn't get to listen to this, you can listen to it on my Twitter page, Ritu Rocks 1, and Aaj Ka Dabang will be posted up there. Again, that's Ritu Rocks 1. Amazing, great playing by both of you guys. I loved it, and kya enthusiasm tha. For some reason, I knew कि आज tie होने वाली है. मुझे लग रहा था कि आज tie होने वाली है. No, well, I'm glad both of them won. I'm going to go into a song. उसके बाद a छोटी break for you. Keep listening to Ritu right here on Desi Flash Drive. अगला गाना जो आपके लिए है is from the movie Lutera. Beautiful song. I love it. बहुत लोगों ने request किया है. और अगर आपको कभी गाने request करने हैं, you can do so by tweeting me at Ritu Rocks 1. Here it is.